Traditional manufacturing has a very expensive tooling. Tooling takes a lot of engineering, a lot of cost, a lot of lead time. What we do is 3D print the tooling on demand right when you need it. We print that tooling out of a water-soluble support material. We pellet extrude that, switch to a milling extruder, machine that to get a really nice smooth surface, and then we lay the part directly on that. Once the part is fully finished, what we can do is just put that in a bath of water, dissolve away the entire tooling. Typical tooling is either made out of like an Invar material or really a high-performance thermoplastic, which is very expensive. We're replacing that with this very cheap polymer. On top of that, it is much more flexible. So normal tooling, like for this part, specifically this duct, it's a multi-piece tool, very intricate to collapse to get it out of the part. Since we're dissolving the tooling, we can just do one tool and then just dissolve away the tooling. Because we're printing the tooling at the start of everything, we can change the geometry very easily. If there's one little thing you want to adjust, all you have to do is just reprint the tool and you're good to go. Another couple benefits of that as well is you don't need to have a stockpile of tooling. Typical aircraft manufacturers have just warehouses full of tooling. Since we have just a digital file, we can just print the tooling from a part 20 years ago. The focus is on doing more complex parts that you traditionally couldn't do.